Hi, Ben and Carrie.
Congratulations, 25 years. I can't believe you made it.
All these years we know the Lord has built your house because unless the Lord builds the house, they labor in vain that build it. The first time I met Carrie, she was in diapers. I imagine, Ben, you were in diapers too.
I think I remember. Do you remember the first time you met Ben?
No.
I'm trying to think. I don't know.
I've always known Ben.
And Carrie, I remember you as a little girl, and Tom and I used to come to Newport, and I loved my trips there. I remember doing your nails and our trips to get donuts, and then when you got older, all of our shopping trips. And the biggest thing I think about with you, Carrie, is your generosity. You're so generous. I had to be careful when we were shopping. If I said, "Oh, I like this pillow," or "I like this necklace," or "I still have a lovely pair of earrings that you bought me that I love," and I knew that you would buy it if I said anything. So we're so happy that you and Ben are together. You make a great couple. You complement one another, and we praise the Lord for you.
We love you.
Love you bunches.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Happy anniversary.